Welcome back, part 4 of the conversion camper build. So this is where we've made it to. I went ahead and buttoned up and finished up the electric up front. Let the covers off in case there's a problem, but that finishes that leg. Now I'm gonna do this leg, or side of the breaker box. I'm only gonna put 3 plugs in here. One here, so that way if I need to charge some plug there, so that way if I were to ever put an AC in here, I've got a plug right there. Then I'll come back and put this trim up, and we might start working on the bed or something. I'm not really sure what the next step is, so yeah, enjoy. What I want to do for right now and the inside wrapped up, I'm going to get some of this wood stained. Actually, I'm going to stain it all. And then these metal pieces cover up all this wiring and whatnot. I was going back and forth whether to notch it out around the trim or just butt the trim up to it. So I need to get these bottom ones in. Yeah, I'm going to stain this up. Lady dog. See, pretty much get the gist of it right there. Yeah, we're gonna switch to YouTube editing power magic and go ahead and get this done. Like, well, I've got all these done, and then there's gonna be the countertop. There's a 1x6s, and then I don't know what that is. And then there's a couple back here hanging out. So I think my next step is to silicone, or taking the sealing off the outside. I guess if I can find my knife. The way I'm doing that is these cheap old knives. Just take it and lay it up against the wall and cut. This is where we're at. Don't look the best. I'm not too thrilled with it, but at least it's finished. I just cut these out around the trim. Still got to do this side, button this corner up and do that side. I got the sealant done, which I'm not gonna get too close to. I can weld, MIG, stick, brazing, soldering. I can't run caulking out of a caulking gun. It's hideous. It's a mess. I hope nobody notices it, but they're going to. It's terrible. Chilly out there today. We're getting the floor put in. Wish me luck. Wish us luck. As you seen, I struggled so much with or the wood or the, there you go, folks. Got the floor in, which I struggled so much with. Finally got it put together, me and the old lady. Got some of the trim up. Got the rest of the trim in here with all the plywood that I have on hand. And the next step is going to my father's house, and he's going to help me building the countertop right here and cabinets right there at least. So I've got all my wiring there. I've got the battery charger I'm going to put in here, so that way when we're there we should be able to hook up, have 12 volt lights. He also has the other end of that plug that I'm going to get fixed up so we can put in and have AC power as well. We'll have shore power and we'll have the DC power, have the battery in here, the battery charger right there. So shouldn't have much to worry about. As for power, we should have it in here. Got everything swept up, cleaned up, all the wood loaded up, and I'm putting this thing outside in the weather because I have had enough of this trailer. So yeah, let's get it done. That's gonna wrap up part I think that'll wrap up part 4. So yeah, stay tuned for part 5, I reckon. God bless.